Drug addiction in construction industry. Addiction is defined as a lack of control over doing, taking, or using something to the point where it becomes harmful. While many think of addiction as relating to drugs or alcohol, it can also include gambling, overwork, or even reliance on prescription painkillers, often used in industries like construction to cope with physical injuries. The brain's reward system. Deep within the brain lies the reward pathway, which releases a neurotransmitter called dopamine. Dopamine encourages behaviors that help us survive, like eating or staying safe. But substances like opioids, alcohol, and even high-sugar foods hijack this system, flooding the brain with dopamine far beyond natural levels. Safety matters. Enroll in our course. NYC SST 2-hour drug and alcohol awareness training.